Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And what we're looking at here is a canopy and a little windshield. That's what those of us who have airplanes look at. But if you look at it with another eye, it's a doghouse. And it's got a room with a view, and it's got side windows. So let's take a look at taking a canopy and an old window. And here's an idea for buying a canopy and making a doghouse out of it. I think you're going to have some fun with this topic, so let's go do it. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So here it is, the canopy and an old windshield. It's a perfect doghouse. They can come in through the back where their turtleneck is, and they can sleep in the sunshine if it's faced in any kind of southern exposure. But we have a motivation for this. We're not going to be using the Project Tiger canopy that we use for demonstration here, but Yankee Aviation probably has 20 canopies hanging around. We haven't sold one in 31 years. So if you want a doghouse, I have an idea that you can make it aviation themed and have something in your yard that you'll be proud to have. So it's just an idea of what you can do with it. Now, in the back of it is where the dog can come in and out, and that can be filled in with plywood and then have a little swinging door so he can come in, be out of the weather, curl up nicely. You can put it in a grassy area. You can add padding to it. It'll all be out of the weather. Now, the windshield and the canopy are not connected, but they could be RTV'd or something together or are fastened in another way. But anyway, it's an idea, folks. And again, since Yankee Aviation has a bunch of extra canopies, think about it. I hope this all amused you. Please excuse all the dust on all the used parts that we had in the hangar as we were doing this, propping it all up for you to get a look at and have an idea about. So we hope you found all this useful and informative, something you can do with aviation parts other than fly them. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. I apologize for the lighting because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.